The ocean floor is littered with our engineering failures and mistakes. You need to respect the power of what happens out there.
There's still things to be discovered. If we have a zero-risk philosophy, we are doomed.
When we first conceived this idea, I wasn't sure it was going to be possible. We were talking about an intelligent vehicle out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean.
We built a ship, put autonomy into it, and now we're learning what that means.
You just maintain your course and speed.
The pressure's certainly building as we're getting closer to the launch. There's a lot that we need to deliver.
Right. Something going wrong.
What keeps me up at night is we break down somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic, and it's something so trivial.
Working on a boat like this, you kind of have to figure stuff out on your own.
We got some drama. No, we need to find out what happened, but it wasn't responding. We'd lost comms.
I just want to finish shaking her out and start across.
The crossing?
The crossing.
So when you say the crossing,
Atlantic.
that little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck.
When it pulls out of Plymouth and I know it's not coming back for 6 months, when I see the rear end of it and the stern of it going around Ream Head, headed off west, that's going to be exciting.
IBM really likes projects that are really pushing the envelope to do really exciting and novel things.
What if we had hundreds of these vessels? This is going to transform ocean science.
Trying and failing doesn't bother me. It's if we don't do everything we can do to ensure success.